at this guy.
Weird.
What's he doing walking out here?
He got camo on for it. Yeah, that was Harry.
Dude, was that Harry?
Turn back, turn back.
Oh my gosh. What is he doing? Harry?
Long time no see.
Jack, Kevin.
What are you doing here?
Just got back from Nam. No.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Ladies look like a bunch of zombies.
Hey.
Let's do something.
Like what?
Mario Party?
No. Halo?
Hell no.
What? It was a good game.
Keyword there being was. What we need is a game that separates the men from the boys.
Chess?
And somehow you made a meth ring. No, I mean...
If you say frisbee, I swear.
Well, never mind then.
Second. I just got this new airsoft gun. Stinger P9 shoots 6mm BB, spring action. Clip holds about 100. What do you think?
I think it's nice. Let's go.
Yeah.
War games probably aren't the best idea for me.
How come?
Tell you why. It all started back in Nam. It was a fateful day in Nam. Our platoon was on a top secret recon mission that came straight from the top. We were trekking through the unpredictable bush of Vietnam. We just crossed the river and we were about to set up camp for the night. And that's when it happened! An unexpected ambush! They were everywhere. Viet Cong hiding in the bush, shots flying this way, comrades falling left and right. There was nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Death's cold hand was here to pay us a visit. But something happened. This sort of bestial rage came along and killed everything in sight, with nothing but my hands and a combat knife. Oh, what a sight to behold! They finally brought me down. They took us back to the prison camp. I spent 3 years in that camp before I was released.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you weren't in Nam. Or a prison camp for that matter.
Yeah, I know. But I like to think that I was. Sometimes I still have flashbacks to that now.
Yeah. Whatever. Let's just meet in the field in 30.
Alright. Okay, as usual, I guess.
You know it's my favorite drink.
Shotgun! Shotgun! Watch out! Yeah!
What the heck? You always get shot.
Right, I always get shotgun because I'm awesome!
What? Think there could be any more red in this car?
Yeah. The red shirt.
Oh, nice choice, Matt.
You matched the car perfectly.
Whatever.
Go! Hurry, go!
Well, Matt, give us some gas.
Oh! What the? You just hit the tree, Matt.
Matt.
you kidding me?
Matt, come on.
I gotta see this.
Get real, Matt.
Oh my god.
Just pull it forward and pull
We're
it
never
back.
gonna make it there. Oh my gosh.